Good afternoon. Today we have a rare Series 1 DB4 in original left-hand drive form in its original bronze color, which was rare from the factory, that deserves to be fiddled with to bring to the next level. So it's all there, but we can discuss a little further as we go on our road test. Come on. Okay, well, we have started it. She's warm. Well, here we go. So this car, this DB4 Series 1, has got good bones. Does need a bit of the English brought back to it. It's got good mechanicals. It was owned by a well-known Middle Eastern collector with many Aston Martins that have come back to market, and it has been outfitted in various color choices which were not the norm. So with a little bit of a dash restoration back to standard, top of the dash, lower knee panels becoming black again. It's really not that bad. The column should become black again. The steering wheel should become wood again. The headliner is not wool or its original vinyl. It has got air conditioning that has been installed that is not working at the moment, but can certainly be made to work. It has got electric mirrors for the driver and passenger. And last but not least, it has been fitted with electric windows. So, and a stereo that is not here at the moment, but obviously one person's respective choice of where a speaker should be put, and a modern one at that. But should someone go through this, it is a rare Series 1, and it is original left-hand drive, and I see a lot of investment potential in the future for the person who wants to actually take it and go through it. So as you can see, you know, we're going through the gears, and oil pressure is good, gearbox is good, clutch is good, brakes are good, and what you see is what you get. So this is without a doubt a bit of a fixer-upper, as we would call it, but she is a rare Series 1 DB4 that deserves to be saved, at least in my opinion, and I hope someone else feels the same. Alright, well, we're going to take you down through suburbia and then down the farm road, just to show you that mechanically, a lot of car, a lot of Aston Martin, a lot of rare Aston Martin, left-hand drive Aston Martin, Series 1 DB4 Aston Martin. So I hope someone feels the way we do and is interested in giving it a good new home. So we're going to cruise down the farm road. Show you she's a lovely DB4. She doesn't have a horn that works either, but she cruises, and as we've said, it is she is wanting for some love. Tracks well, drives well, great gearbox, really good power. So we're gonna pull over up here to do our flybys. All right, Jason, have a jump out that door so we can do our flybys.
All right.
enjoyed the flybys. We are gonna run her back to the homestead. We can confirm that she runs well. She's got good power, great oil pressure, temperatures are fine. The charging system is working. As I said at the beginning, all she really wants is to have a little bit of the English given back to her, to have a nice charmed life once again. So that's all we can tell you today about this particular Aston Martin DB4. Hope you enjoyed the road test. This one was a shorter one than usual, but I think you've got the gist. There's a lot of car for very little money because we are accepting reasonable offers. Come one, come all. Let's help this orphanage give this Aston a good home. Thanks for watching.